Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Faith Foundation ha kasngi baar kala Pynlong Ïaka Grandchild Wellbeing Mela arhajar apun riu ha All Saints Hall Shillong da ka Jingshngain ban kintiu ya ka Pynsngewthuh ya ka Jingshngain ki Khynnah bar ka Jingbha jingmiat jong ki Khynnah school ni ha ka lang sa lang baro ka wei ha ka ni ka Mela lawan banishim benta da ki Khynnah school na ki school ba pher ki khot jong ki seng tre ka mo pher bat ki wei pat ki badan benta lang Lingba kene ka program ki Khynnah school ki layo ka Pynsngewthuh ban Pynsngewthuh khamha ya ki mat ki baya dei bar ka jingeda ki Khynnah bat ka Jingshngain ha ka imlang ka salang u director ka Directorate of School Education and Literacy u BJ Kharshandi u balong u kongsan u layaro ya kane ka Jingsdang bat ong ba ka Jingmut jong ka Child Wellbeing Mela kalong ka bakarpang bat ka Pynsngewthuh ula kedawru ba kumgini ki program ki kham yar ban Pynlong ha ka district bat ha ka jilla bat ong ba ka ni ka program ka thumu shwa ki Khynnah school bat ka Jingbha jingmya nak banta ka jongki ula banjur ba ka Jingshngain ba ka jingeda ki Khynnah ka dei banlong hakmat e omtang ki keme ki kpa ne ki nong hikai henre ha ka emlang salang baro ka wei ulo ong ba baro ki nong shong shnong ki dei banlong ki bucket khle nak banta ban pintikna ban ai Jingshngain bat jingeda ya ki Khynnah na ka jingsha thombor la ka long ha school ni hayeng ha ki sem ni haki para majan
Kadaw hi kalong ba kat kum ka jingsham jungi ha ka jingtri kam jungi dai on the field ni shamba bonsin hi ki nong ke kam snong nang ta ki school nang ta shuong hi ki snong ki thau dai bon hi kim tip kumno bakin handle appropriately kumno bakin respond appropriately habaki sham kum kini ki situations ke boi dangia yo kum kini ki incidents ru bon teng teng hi kala syukut no ka jing compromise para maki nomor ba kawai hi kadang don hi ketuka stigma mo habo ka snong ka thau jungi ba kimkwa bakan pau sabar habaki dan kini ki jingja kimkwa bakan pau sabar kawai ka senjam ka bangisem ka deba ni Pynlong ye kini ki campaigns ki jungi ru kunjo kawai gade ka keeping our children safe campaign abangi rakhi ye kani nadu banai April ter bro sisnam but kawai da ni don ye kani ka child safety week campaign abangi rakhi ha u banai November ha sautre adu arpotre de ha kini ki campaigns pan ni Pynlong ki programs ki bapher bangin la ban ai awareness ki snong ki thau ki jungi omtang bangi ai awareness ki donru ki workshops nang ta ki training sessions ru bangi ai ya ki stakeholders ki bapher mo kumno bakin long kita ki agents of change ha ki snong ki thau ki jongki bakin la ban ai jingerap ka bapaka ya kini ki Khynnah ladadan ki pasha thompo bunsin hi hakabaya pet bat ka hok pensim bentamu ki Khynnah bunsin mangi ki rangba te ni set kelat bat bunsin ni set yemda ai thani ki kalat bakin yeshim benta mo ho ai dan ki activities haki school nang ta haki snong ki thau tangba ban ong hi ban ai la ki bakin perkhat bakin wanra hi ta ki ideas ki jumut ji perkhat chu ki bunsin hi kim yo ya kata kala di Lingba ka Faith Foundation ni wanra ya kani ka concept jong ka Child Wellbeing Mela pan aila ki Khynnah bikin wanra ki ideas pat pan penkala ki haki kinja activities haba kila ban sim benta pat ki perlok jong ki pat kumjuru bekila ban sim benta bekino hikai pat ki kimi pa jong ki de ka Faith Foundation la sing ya ka nadu usnam arajar khalai ban nila trei menta halor kani ka isu ka jingsha thombor hakalong ran yang ki Khynnah nila trei menta la khalai snam but ngi trei ringkat ru but ka education department haba ngi pentrikam ya ka personal safety education program haki school jungi sini sapo East Khasi Hills ngila adap ya trei la pun ki school but ha uni usnam in ya trei lang sa Khynnah ki school hapo East Khasi Hills Stakeholder ki school hapo Riboy district but Santli ki school hapo West Garo Hills but kawai de ka ka service bangi provide kadika rehabilitation jongki child survivors of child sexual abuse habangi I counseling ki habangi yo kini ki disclosure ni I counseling ki ban ni I jingerap ru yaki haba ki let ki court hearings but bakin yo yakini ki entitlements mo haba ka government ka haban I ki dekat kum ka statistics ka bangila ban syam na ka Meghalaya State Police jungi dai habaya pet ya ka record nadu April arajar akusau hadu February arajar akusam kidan baro rapun reutli ki case ki bayade baka jingsha khambor ya kalong ring ki Khynnah halor kataru sanspa sampun reutli ki total cases kabayade batka crime against children hakasti tejungi de rapun reutli ki de tangha apoka is kasils
to all the esteemed board members of Child Foundation, including our director, the board members, the participants, the maybe the members from various organizations, and particularly the students from different schools who are here with us. So, as I was made to understand that Child Foundation has selected a few schools in East Khasi Hills and also in Ripon district to take up this child wellbeing Mela. And in fact, when they called me for this child wellbeing Mela, I was very fascinated. First thing first, because I've never heard of such child wellbeing Melas being organized in any part of the district or the state as a whole. So I was very excited and I was looking forward to it. And of course, we understand that when we talk about children, when we talk about the child, it basically centers or focuses on these school children. So today's Child Mela basically will focus on two important areas which are very, very crucial for a child's well-being. First thing first, of course, we understand that the safety and security of each and every child is paramount to everybody. It's not just for the parents, it's not just for the teachers and the principals in schools, but in fact, as responsible citizens of the state, we must ensure that our children are safe, our children are secure, and wherever they are, be it in school, be it at home, be it in their neighborhood, be it anywhere that the children are, they have to be safe and they have to be protected from all harm and danger. Now, Faith Foundation as an organization is not new to me because I remember I had met some of the members in a couple of meetings also that were held please correct me if I'm wrong, I attended one program also in the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, so I remember meeting some of the members over there also. So I was very happy to learn that they've done so much of good work for the children, particularly in the aspect of the safety, all right, the safety of children. So a lot of it has been talked about, children, giving awareness to children on safe touch, bad touch, and so on and so forth. Now, we all understand that why even the government also is giving a lot of focus on the safety of children, because we understand that the children or the students in school are the most vulnerable. All right, so they are basically the sections of people who are vulnerable and who are being targeted, who become easy prey for people who have bad or cruel intentions. But what is important is that we need to give the required awareness and the required knowledge to our students so that whenever they face such situations in life, they will be able to handle them with confidence and they will be able to avoid any harm and danger being meted out to them. Now, we've heard of instances also that even in schools, it becomes very difficult for children, to even trust people who are there in school. Sometimes reports come to us that there are trust issues even when it comes to dealing with teachers. So these things are always there, although they are not very, very common, but they are there. So what is important for us is that once the awareness, and I'll tell you, awareness is not the generic awareness that we are talking about. This is actually the focused type of awareness that has to be given to students. Because students, we all understand that they go through a lot of psychological developments, okay? And these psychological developments, they happen at every stage of their growth. So we understand that, if we take children right from the stage when they are toddlers, and then they enter the pre-primary stage of schooling, and then after that they enter the elementary stage, okay, which is right from 6 years to 14 years of age. So during this 8 years period, it becomes very, very crucial for education institutions and also to collaborate with organizations like Faith Foundation and many more. In fact, many more organizations are also there which are working hand in hand. And of course, we also understand that the government, through the Department of Social Welfare, through the Department of School Education, through the concerned ministries in Government of India, all right, we are working hand in hand, with all the different stakeholders to ensure that the right interventions reach the children, and that too on time. So what I would like to urge upon everybody at this point of time is that, this Mela, if you see, these stalls over here, these stalls are being manned by the students themselves, which means that the students are equipped with the right knowledge, with the right kind of, the required expertise. I'm not saying the expertise per se, but the expertise that is required for today's Mela. Because, when we visit the stalls, it's not just the children, but even the parents also will be visiting the stalls. So they will be able to learn more.
Ya don kanu ka kamru ka bangin hap ya keren ya penbek ki kamru ku mengalong ya piminim don kamra songkai ni songin ya keren hi hang ni barako kata kalong ka karkom im jang diri undai langit ndaki briu klia be kata ka kum ka juk ka pamta kan kanduk kani ka jong uman barim bon ki ai baro ki balik uman barim ki ladu